Dito we had our parang lunch here in Kamukura 2 days ago. Kaso nawala yung Hana probably left her gamits. Just Kiara there. The money exchange. Kiara, there's a money exchange here, oh. Pero walang machine, no? Ito, money exchange na nakalagay dito eh. This one, itong area na to. Dyan galing yung if you take the subway, yung Namba na train, dyan yung labas mo. That area. That's ganun ka-centralized niya. Labas mo yan. Fronting Namba Marui. No? It's Toho Cinemas. So even this hour, no? Medyo grabe, busting with the tourist activity. Not surprising because of yung it's a holiday, no? Going New Year. Maganda, may upuan din dito. Upo tayo, no? Nice one. Medyo malamig lang, no? Dapat yung is kumpleto ka, no? Ayan, thermal pa kasi mahina ako sa lamig. So let's observe yung structure here, yung mga people. Nakita mo?
Wala, andun na ang station mismo na.
Saan? Paano yung station yan? Baka may na okay. Di ba ito yung station na labas lahat, no? Yan yung main station ng Namba na lalabas lahat ng mga guests, no? Tourist.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Their biggest.
Grabe.
Shinkansen passes here.
Shinkansen. So sakay tayo dito tayo sakay ng Shinkansen also. Tagalan, expert ito si KR sa kwan ba? Osaka ba?
Guys, this is the
No?
Namba. Here, Namba station.
They have tables din pala, oh.
Party ko na ako.
Saan?
I don't know what they're doing here. I think a party. Other party.
Chill sila, no? This is the Namba station. Nankai Namba station, no? Dito labasan ng mga tourist. Grabe, pagkagawa ng sa Osaka, yan, no? Namba station.
Save the calories for that.
Perfect.